Hi everyone, we have r equals 5 divided by 2 minus 2 sine of theta. Alright, it has this form here. We have the form of negative e sine of theta in our denominator. The only thing that the problem is we need a 1 here and we have a 2. So let's fix that. We're going to have r equals 5 divided by 2 minus 2 sine of theta. And we're going to multiply our numerator and our denominator by 1/2 so we can fix that. This is going to give me 5 divided by 2. And then we're going to have 1 minus 1 times sine of theta. That means my e equals 1, because there it is. That means I have a parabola also. My ED equals 5/2. Since E is 1, my D equals 5/2. Therefore, since we have negative, that means for my directrix, we're going to get, my equation is going to be y equals negative 5/2. That means the directrix is below the focus at the origin. So it's going to be below the focus at the origin. And that's because of this negative here. All right, so let's sketch the graph. I put in some values. Our graph's going to open up, and we can plot in some points. Sine of 0 is 0, so that gives me 5/2. So we're going to go out 5/2. Let me write that down. 5/2 is going to be, let's see, 2 and 1/2. So it's going to be out about here. I went by ones here. I went by 2s here to get my 1s. All right. At pi divided by 2, you're going to get 5/2. So pi divided, I forgot pi divided by 2. So at pi divided by 2, let's do that one. You're going to get 2 minus 2, which is undefined. That's why I left that out. All right, so at pi, we're going to get also 5/2. And at 3 pi divided by 2, we're going to get 5/4. So let's plot some of these points. So at 0, we're at 5/2, which is 2 and 1/2. At pi, we're at 5/2, which is 2 and 1/2. And at 3 pi divided by 2, we're at 1 and 1/4. So this is 1, 1/2, so a little bit in here. So I tried to, again, I always tell you, everybody, this is a sketch. That means you do not have to have a grid like I have. The only reason I have a grid is to make it easier to see via a video. So it's going to go out like this. Your directrix here was y equals negative 5/2. And I drew that right here. And your focus is at 0, 0. And the vertex is going to be at 5/4, comma 3 pi divided by 2. This one right here. And it opens up. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.